Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to do a different kind of wear test today because I was super excited about the product. You saw the title. But first we're going to play our intro. Okay, so literally I had no idea this would even come out. I was watching TV and I saw the commercial around like 9 o'clock and I was like, oh, I need it. No, don't do it. Well, then I saw the commercial again around 10 o'clock and I looked it up, and you know, not all that many people have reviewed this yet. It's actually still pretty new, like maybe it came out 3 weeks, a month ago. And I was like, go get it. No, don't do it. So then the commercial came on again at 11 and this is what happened. Look at Walmart go. Going in the beauty room. Okay guys, so get ready for this wear test. Let's hope this is my shade. Y'all are really suck at shade matching, but the sliding is horrible in here too. We're gonna hope that this is a good shade for me. And we might try this applicator. Don't count on it. I don't like those, but we gonna try it out. So at the end of it all, we ended up with this foundation. I got it in the color Natural Ivory. This is what it looks like right here. And I don't know that this is like an exact shade match for me, but I'm thinking it'll work. And it's got this little sponge on the end, which I'm gonna, in my mind, say is for touch-ups because ain't no way I'm gonna use that little B sponge for my whole face. So we used a Y6. But first, let me go get my usual favorite primer, Mystery Primer, and put that on. Okay, so we've got our primer on, and I'm just gonna do this like I do stick foundations, which are really like my favorite thing right now. I'm loving a good stick foundation. It's just so quick, but I can't ever seem to get the amount of coverage I want unless I do a lot of layers. So we are gonna do one layer of you today, and we're gonna wear this as long as possible and see what happens. I'll give you a time when I get done. Okay, so we're covered in the foundation. Now I'm just going to blend it in with my Y6 in circular and like stippling motions. Okay, so that's some pretty decent coverage. Let's just zoom in. I mean, it covered for the most part, but we're gonna go ahead and put some concealer on and set this foundation. I'm dropping stuff again today, you guys. So we're gonna put on the concealer, set everything in place. I'm gonna come back after I got my whole face done and I look a little cuter, and then we shall go about our day and see what happens. Okay, so concealer is on. We're going to take our Coty Airspun and we are going to go ahead and bake under the eyes. And I'm going to do a trick that I recently saw on a video and take powder and just stamp it into the face, kind of like I'm baking my whole face, but not leaving it there to sit. Okay, so I'm going to leave this bake here for a few minutes while I go take care of the rest of my face. Everything is set in and we are about to get all the way cute, and then I will come talk to y'all. We're starting our time now. It is 11:33. Ooh. I think y'all can see what I've been doing. Okay. 11:33. We're going to attempt to keep this on for 12 hours, and that should be nothing, right? Because on the commercials, it says up to 24-hour wear. So, we're going to keep this on for 12 hours and see what happens, and I will be right back. Okay, so we've got our whole face finished. I went for a dramatic-ish copper gold smoky eye with some calm-ish lips. I actually used patina, I believe that's how you say it, from Stila. That is one of the like cult favorite Stila liquid lips. And killed that highlight with some Flexitarian, because y'all know that is my favorite when I want to blind. So we've got this foundation on. Everything is on top of it. It still looks really good. Everything blended over top nicely. It's not quite noon yet. We're calling 11:30 our start time. We are going to see how this performs over a 12-hour period. It is hot. I'm going shopping for some stuff for the beauty room today and getting some dinner or lunch kind of thing with my mom. So I will check in, I will show you my yummy foods, and I'll give you a little sneak preview of what we're getting for the beauty room as well. So Target, probably Olive Garden, Mom's house. Who's ready? Time to go, you guys. Target, time to get our stuff. Okay guys, so we have our letter board and we have our desk, and I got here and it was on sale. Look at me winning today. We're gonna have a check-in in just a second. Okay guys, so we are 5 hours in, and so far it looks pretty good. It doesn't feel too heavy. It's wearing, it's a little oily, but you know, I'm me, so what else can you expect, right? But this is your first check-in. I will hit y'all back up probably around 8 o'clock. Okay guys, if you can't tell, we made it. It is 11:43, way past my bedtime. So, final thoughts on the foundation. It's definitely broke down around my nose. Nothing unusual, always happens. My texture is showing through. I'm a little bit shiny, but I have oily skin, so I mean, yeah, not anything out of the ordinary. So overall thoughts on this foundation. For a stick foundation, this performed so good. I've had it on just over 12 hours. I went shopping today, which I showed y'all earlier. You're gonna get to see my new setup really soon. I'm excited. But I went shopping today. It was hot outside. I had to pick up heavy things. I put a whole desk together. I moved beds, dressers, everything by myself. So I have sweat a lot in this, which is really gross. I need a shower right now. But I have definitely put this to the test. It still looks pretty good. The coverage is definitely still there. For everything I did today, I'm impressed. So this foundation is definitely going to be a win for me. I will definitely be reaching for it. I'm actually going to be traveling soon, so a lot of what you're going to be seeing over the next month is going to be pre-recorded. I've told you all that before, but the travel dates are actually coming up really quick You're seeing this on Wednesday. I actually leave out of town like a week from when you see this, and I'll be gone off and on for about a month and a half. So a lot of this is going to be pre-recorded. But I thought this would be a nice little switch up for our Wear Test Wednesday. Test out a foundation that I haven't heard a lot of buzz, but it really should be, because everybody loves the Maybelline Fit Me liquid, and this stick foundation is so good, and I really think I'm just going to travel with it and maybe my Makeup Revolution one, because this held up nicely. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, so I may have just found a new holy grail. Y'all know stick foundation is so much easier to put on than liquid anyways. It's way easier to travel with. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I will see you soon, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye, you guys.